For all you beginner self-taught drummers, here are 4 rudiments that you just need. Out of all of them, to start with, they're just everywhere and they're so useful. So, number 1, you've got your classic single stroke, which is quite literally right, left, times many. So, which is useful perhaps for obvious reasons. It might just be the first thing you've ever learned, but it goes beyond just single strokes. So, number 2, we've got doubles, which are so important. Oh my god, they're literally in every other rudiment going for, I say every other, but they're very important. All it is literally right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Some people call them, what is it, mummy daddies? Mama dad, no. What's cool about these is you can get the sound of fast single strokes without the effort of fast single strokes. So instead of going, you can just go. Third, the almighty, the classic paradiddles. Don't know why they're so cool, but they are just cool. Basically, it's just single strokes and then double strokes put together. Right, left, 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 left. So many applications. Here's a few. And last but not least, probably one you've encountered before, but if not, you're welcome, flams. Pretty easy in concept. One stick coming down before the other, one slightly higher than the other. That's it, but it's everywhere. Everywhere. If you want some videos on some applications or some more obscure rudiments, then let me know.